berries. Show Mom.
Don't spill them.
Careful.
Let's see. Did you pick all those berries?
Yeah.
Wow.
And Uncle Mark.
And Uncle Mark? Are you going to eat them all, or are you going to make a pie?
Come to this tree, Mom.
You better pick them a lot faster. Oh, by the handful. Are those good? Do you like Saskatoon berries? Okay, we've got to save them for the pie. Let's see your face. Saskatoon berry face. Okay, we have to save some.
Look, he loves it. Isn't it nice to know within nature what's going on?
Careful. Careful. Careful.
You're going to be climbing mountains.